You're getting ready to do a research project. So, this is Miss McCoy, your librarian here, and I am going to walk you through using some of our databases. So, I'm going to talk about three different databases: Proquest, Explora, and WorldBook. Now, all of these resources are linked on the library website, and you can also find them in Clever. So let's start first with Proquest. When you open Proquest, you'll see a couple of things. You see a navigation bar here at the top, and then you see a search bar. You can start with either. Now, with these search bars, keep in mind that these resources are not quite as smart as Google. So I can't put in a full sentence to find the answers that I want. Instead, I need to pull out my keywords. So for this project, you're researching about different presidents, about different people. So it's probably a good idea to use their names as your keyword. That's going to give you more results. Now, the other place you can start is up here in your navigation bar. If you click on research topics, go down to famous people. There's a subcategory here that says U.S. presidents and first ladies. Now, what's cool about starting here is when I click on the person that I'm researching, it gives me a very short summary in the beginning. And then when I scroll down, sometimes it has pictures, it has some interesting facts about the people, but it also has this list of biography articles. So each one of these is a different source that I can use. When I look at these biography articles, some are older than others. So for this project, I would really focus on the newest articles in your search just so we can ensure that they are accurate, that they hold accurate information. Okay, now if you scroll down, there's some more information. Sometimes there's a timeline, and then sometimes they have people that are related to them in some sort of way. So that is ProQuest. The next resource I want to show you is called WorldBook Online. Now, when you access WorldBook Online, you'll come to this screen. We're going to choose Discover. And now from here, you're going to see something very similar to ProQuest. You've got a toolbar up at the top, then you have a search bar. And we can use the search bar in the same way we would with ProQuest by typing in the person's name that you're looking for. What's cool about WorldBook, though, is that it has this research tools section. And this is going to kind of give you some tips how to research, what kind of sources you might find, how to break down your questions into keywords, how to evaluate sources, organizing your data. So this is just a really good tool to use if you have maybe you're stuck in your research process, or maybe you have some questions and you're not quite sure. This is a great one for that. Okay, the next and last one that I want to look at is called Explora. Same thing that you saw with ProQuest. There is a search bar up at the top. Explora goes into much more depth. So let's search for Barack Obama by chance. Remember that what you're putting in that search bar is your keyword. It's not a question. When you see an article that pops up like this, it says topic overview, that's going to be your best one to look at because it's going to have a little bit of everything in there. Now you'll notice that this is a much longer biography. They have links in there where you can explore more about some of the topics within the biographies. So like I said, this one goes into much more depth as far as information wise. So just to summarize, you have three different sources that you can look for digital resources within. You can use ProQuest, Explora, or WorldBook. Any three of these sources will get you the information you need for your research project. All right, thanks for watching and have fun researching.